I saw a bird and he looked cold. I think it was a he. Could have been a she. I don't know. Then I thought about a bird and how they're filled with feathers and how that's gotta be pretty warm. Yeah, the birds may look cold, but I'll bet they're alright. There are lots of feathers on them. It's like being all nice and tight. And so I bet they're warm most of the time. Even though they might look cold, they're fine.